Hey there, if you're a telecom, CATV, low voltage, or network installer, or just someone who works with splices, connectors, or wire terminals, this one's for you. Hey, Sydney here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out the Jonard Tools JIC-22148 Combo Crimper long nose pliers. Let me walk you through what makes it worth a spot in your tool pouch. Let's dive in. First, the construction. The JIC-22148 is built from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with induction-hardened cutting edges for durability and strength. It's a 6-inch tool and weighs about 0.34 pounds. Now here are 4 key features. This isn't just a crimper or just long nose pliers. It's a 5-in-1 tool. You get a cutter and crusher built in, plus a stripping hole for stripping 22 gauge wire. Here are the precision, jaw, and tool dimensions for fine work. And finally, the grips are double dipped in plastic to deliver comfort, better torque control, and reduce hand fatigue during repetitive use. All right, so what does all that mean for you in the field? You're reducing tool swaps. Instead of carrying separate crimpers, pliers, cutters, etc., this one tool handles multiple common tasks. The induction hardened cutting edges give you long life, less wear, and less need for replacement. The stripping hole gives you a fast, accurate strip of 22 gauge wire without needing a separate stripper. The grip is comfortable for extended use, especially in tight quarters, which most installers deal with daily. So there you have it, the Jonard JIC-22148 Combo Crimper long nose pliers, a compact, versatile, multi-function tool that aims to simplify your toolbox. And that's it for today's video. If you liked this breakdown, drop a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what connector types you use most. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay wired in.